Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you a very important software that will help you to organize and insert your references quickly and fast. Think about the many times that you were trying to manually organize your own references and delete them and then go to any other website online just to help you to adjust the style of the reference. This might be not a problem if you had one or two or even five references. You can consult with your colleagues. Yeah, you can check them online. You can switch the style from any other online portal that can just help you to switch the styles or do it manually. But what about if you have 50 or 40 references for your own graduation project, maybe? Now you have to learn a new way how to do this, and therefore this is the aim of this software. I have a tool that I really love and I really use it in most of my research. This tool is called Zotero. Zotero is an open source, completely free application that you install in your computer and use it for free. There is no credit cards needed, there is no payment, it is completely for free. This software will help us to organize our references and update them and even keep them all in one folder and insert them um, automatically in the Word document. Therefore, by this way, you can really simply do not have to think about the references any longer. Therefore, I will teach you today how we can do this and how I just provide you with a quick example how I use it, for example, in my papers. The first step is to download the application. So we go to the website called zotero.org, and then you can just create the account. So you log in, you create an account, and then you click download to download the application. Once you have the application download, you will have something like this, for example. Yes? Okay, yeah, I was testing. You will have something like this. So this is, as we can see, the screen I have for Zotero. So number one, I downloaded the application. Number two, then I have to go to Tools, Install Browser Connector. This will help the application to automatically save the references from the research paper automatically online. So how to do this? Just click Install Browser Connector. The moment you go there, as you can see, it will just recognize what browser are you using, and you will just click Install. Of course, it is compatible with Safari, Firefox, and Chrome, and even Microsoft Edge. I'm using here Microsoft Edge. So the moment I click install, it will be installed like here, for example. As you can see, it is saved. This is now the connector, yes? Now, how this will be useful. Now I have the application, then I have the connector. For example, now let's go to the Word and let me try to write many research. Okay, I'll just make it a bit bigger for you. Many research discussed the impact of finance on the government spending. Okay, for example, this is just a quick, simple. Um, now I need to cite this. Of course, the manual way is I have to look for the research myself and write it manually here. For example, I don't know, maybe China Post, then 2019, right? Then I go here and write the reference myself. Shao dot yes, and the name. Yes, you know what I mean. The name of the Journal of American Studies. Okay, now the year 2010, then the issue and the pages number. Okay, one page. For example, then I have to write this, for example, as my reference, right? And so on. So I have to write it like this manually each time. But actually, there is a much easier and convenient way we do this. So there is no actually need for you to do this even in the future. Why? Because now all I have to do is to go to the main website that I need or the main paper that I need to put in my research. For example, I prepared some of them here. See, I have two papers already. For example, this one, I need to cite this particular research. Yes. So all I have to do is, can you see here, you can see here, notice what is happening. Zotero has been converted to a different shape. The moment I click on Zotero, it will be just like this. It was saved. Yes. And this, for example, another paper I need, I will just click here, saving to, wonderful. And now it just saved. Now, if I went to my Zotero, as you can see, I have here the paper. Yes, paper already added. All right. Now, okay, so I'm trying to add both of them just quickly to make sure both are added. Yes. So as you can see, it is very quick and it reflects. So I added it here. It automatically added for me everything related to this paper. So the authors, everything. Now, the last step, I just have to put it myself on the Word document. So for example, I have here to go to Zotero. It was installed already. Then I click Add Citation. Here I click my citation style. Hundreds really of style that you can choose from. For example, American Political Association, Sky. Here, if I of course remember the name of the author, the name of the um, the paper, I just write it here. But if I just don't remember, just click here Classic View, and it show you yes what I have. Here, for example, I have this paper that I just added. I will click OK. See, it was here added. Ding, it all automatically. Now, imagine I need to add another sentence and even add two references at the same time, combine them. However, other studies mentioned different factors. Then I need to add the two studies. I will go again, add citation, classic view, and of course I will click this one and this one, like this. Multiple sources. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we have here to click multiple sources first. Then I have to click here, this and this. See? Then I click OK. See? Now it was just added. It just added two of them here. Now, finally, when I finish all my paper, I just click here, add bibliography. The moment I click here, see, it just did it all by itself like that. I didn't do anything myself. It is very, very smart option for you. I really recommend it. You can, of course, change, any journal that you need to change. For its chemical society, just for example, as you can see, it changed itself here, and it also changed here. As you can see, now it's 1, 1, 2. Yes. So I really recommend you to use this. It really saves a lot of my time, and hopefully, really, it will save yours, for example, especially if you are doing your graduation project and you are using a lot of references. And even do not worry, because even if you change for example the order of these citations, it will also just like this automatically change the order down, so you don't really have to worry about everything regarding to the references. Therefore, I hope really this application will be useful for you, and please, if you have um, any questions how to use this application more, or have an issue in installation of this application, please ping me or just write me in the comments, and I'll be really glad to assist you. Thank you guys, and wish you to stay safe. Bye bye.